Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to summarize with AI Mail Assistant in IONOS Webmail. I'll show you how to do this with emails you receive in your inbox and also when you're sending other people emails. So we have this email opened. This is from IONOS themselves. And all you need to do is click on this icon. This is the AI integration, okay? The AI Mail Assistant. Click on this and you get a drop down. I want you to click on summarize and the AI will automatically summarize what that email is about, okay? And when you want to send emails, so we'll click here on new email, right? All you need to do right here at the bottom, you'll see this icon again. Click on that and you change the action from rephrase, whatever it was, to summarize. Then you have your input right here. So this will be our input. Let's go ahead and generate a summary of this. Click on generate and you'll get a generated result. So you can see, you can go and regenerate this as well if you would like to do that. And when you're happy with it, you can click here on use content and it will be in the body of that email. But that is how to summarize with AI Mail Assistant in IONOS Webmail.